Most safety programs don't fail on site. They fail on paper. Not because people don't care about safety, but because the foundation was never clear. Element 1. Foundation. HSE policy and HSE objectives. A safety program doesn't start with rules. It starts with a decision. An HSE policy is management saying one thing clearly: safety is not optional. Most policies are written to look good, not to guide decisions. Workers can't explain your policy. It's not a policy. But a policy without direction is just a statement. HSE objectives turn words into action. They answer one question: what are we actually trying to improve? Zero accidents sounds good, but it doesn't tell anyone what to do. Good objectives are specific. Training completed, hazards reduced, inspections done. The policy sets the direction. The objectives move you forward. Strong safety programs don't start loud. They start clear. And this is only the foundation. Next video will comes responsibility. Like and subscribe for more video on how to make a comprehensive safety program.